I'll start off this video by telling you that I've had a dash cam in my car since 2015, I think. I used to work in Manchester, and every day on the motorway something unbelievable would happen that you just, nobody would believe you if you told them, and it's carried on since.
So I don't think I'm going to get up to 70 here to tell you how many. Oh, what the hell was that? So I don't think I'm going to get up to 70 here to tell you how many. Oh, what the hell was that?
So I've always got a dash cam. The only problem with dash cams really is I like actual original manufacturer's equipment. These things that tend to be stuck on, you know, there's a wire. This is the one I was using before. There's a wire going all the way around here, down there, all the way to here, and then into the armrest. And it's a bit unsightly, and anybody gets in there keeps catching the wire, so that's a pain. So when Fitcam reached out to me to ask me to test this, to see what car I wanted to do it in, this is the car I use normally, and of course I kind of jumped at the chance. I believe there's everything here that I need to fit it, and it does look like original manufacturer's equipment, or you can't actually see it. Another thing with this camera here, I was driving along the road, there's nobody on my side of the road, there was cars on the other side of the road, and all of a sudden the car pulled out from the other side of the road and was heading straight towards me. And I actually put it on social media, and people were saying, well, you were too far over the road. Well, I wasn't, but because this was actually at the side, on this side, it actually made it look like I was too far over the road. So even with the dash cam proof, it still looked like I could have been partly to blame. So anyway, so this gets round the distorted perspective from a dash cam if you've got it over there, or you've got it over here and something else happens over that side. You know, it all goes wrong. So first of all, let's just get this off, get this out of the way. So we'll take that off. You see the wire there all coming out. I mean, that's threaded right the way down the door rubber and all the way down here. So I'm going to take that off and put that down there. Now the unboxing. So that's it there. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. I'm having to do this quick because it's the hottest flipping day we've had so far this year, and if I put my air conditioning on, it'll make too much noise on the video. So here we go. I believe there's everything in here that I need to fit it. So the first thing we get out is that. So that's it. There's the camera in the mounting. That should go there. So I'm going to take the blue thing off before I forget. The screen protector. There we go, we'll get that off. So that's off. So we've got that. Put that in there, put that there, and then we've got this other box here. Oh, there you go. So that'll be to clip that off. That's a USB stick. I'm assuming to either download stuff or update it. And then there's two different wiring connectors here. So we'll just have a look, and as usual, it's been quiet all day. As soon as I come to do a video, people come. So here we go. Let me just get this. Of course, don't want to damage the. I don't want to damage the windscreen, so I'm being careful not to do that. So we'll get that off there, and then we've got the wires. Where do the wires go? Of course, I've not looked at the instructions. So that's that. This is going to plug in somewhere here and go in between No wires there. There's a wire there. That looks like it's going to be the one. So, not easy to get my fingers to that, but unplug that, plug that in there. Oh, it's a V-shaped, so in there like so. That's in. We've got that there. I can tuck in. Then we need this. So the wire here, that clips in like so. And then that goes either side of that, by the look of it. That's it. I forgot the user manual, so now I need, there we go. So put that on camera. The Apple one, like so, opening Chrome. I'm going to go a different way with this, that's taking too long and my cameras are going to overheat. iTunes App Store. In fact, I'm going to go near the office. Pick up the Wi-Fi. It's obviously not a very good signal here. So here we go. Retry. App Store, Fitcam, so we want Fitcam. Fitcam X. Fitcam X get. Double click to install. I'm going to need my glasses again here. Open. Add camera. Fitcam would like to find and connect to your device on local network. Allow. Please allow Fitcam to access your local network in iPhone settings. Privacy OK. So let's have a look. Car cam, it'll be that one. Password. Gosh. Password. First of all, English. Where's English? English, here we go. Password, does it say? Fitcam, password. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Join. I would have probably guessed it was going to be that. So that's join in. Car cam, here we go. Thank you for just letting me know about that. Car cam joining. It's boiling. Please don't make a noise. Password. Let's see, Fitcam X. We're adding camera, weren't we? So there we go. That's it. So it's working. There you go. So it's central perspective. It's even picking up here, this camera. So that's it, and that's it recording. So any camera files there, look. Let's just go back, that's already recording. My other cameras have overheated now, but so that's just showing it recording. Camera settings. Here we go, sound recording, yeah, we'll have that on. Speaker video resolution, is that the best we can have? No, we can have 4K, so we'll change it to 4K. Loop recordings, we'll do 3 minutes. Exposure compensation, no, that's okay. Timestamp, driving collision sensing, least sensitive. Camera language, that's saying Japanese, we want English. Parking monitoring, collision detection, we'll put that medium sensitive and on. So there you go. That's it. That's it all done. Go back. If I turn that sideways, then you've got a full picture of the bonnet nicely in the middle and everything that's going on in front of you. I mean, what's it taken us? 10 minutes? 10 minutes to set up. Brilliant. That's really good. I'll put some video in at the end of. I'll be using this car over the next few days, so I'll put some videos in that the car's taken. But again, if we just go back there, it's recording. That's from there. You can download, or take a snapshot. Then if I go to photographs, like so, the actual photograph, and that's it.